You no longer value, yung, ano man ang value sa, sa punctuality, no? Ay,
Kuya, may kuya pa siya.
Sabi ko talaga yun, okay? Yung ulit ng kanilin din, parang baliwala na siya. Diba? Kasi pag dumating ngayon po, hindi naman nagagalit eh. Okay na yun? Okay na yan. 5 minutes pa. Hindi naman simula yung kagad eh. Okay na yan. If you really value time and you value and respect the time that other people give you really would be on time all the time. Okay? And it's that. It's one way. Forming our consciences. And we do not let small things, small habits turn into, yung callous and sensitive and hard to break vices. Okay? We form our conscience. It's part of our responsibility that we do not arrive at that point that we no longer see or recognize God's voice. Don't forget Pilate, that question, at least a movie, no? His question to his wife, Claudia. Claudia, do you recognize truth? Do you recognize truth when you hear it? Because Claudia was always sensitive, always tries to hear. Okay? Ang taong sensitive sa isang bagay, the one who lets himself or herself hear it. Okay? Diba? Sensitive ka lang sa katulad ng huwag naman. Wala naman siguro sensitive sa inyo sa sa mga extra hindi siya curricular. Wala naman siguro bukas ang third eye sa inyo. Yung mga ganun tipo, yung sensitive siya ganun. Pero pagka sinari yung sarili mo maging sensitive sa nararamdaman kunyari ng kaibigan mo, this is the only time na talagang form ka na maging sensitive. Pero hindi meron ka nakinig sa sinasabi niya. Okay? Alam mo, sama ng pakiramdam ko ngayon, sama ng loob ko. Okay lang yan. Okay, halika, tara. Ganun ka agad. You shut the door, okay? To that person opening up and to you knowing that person. Okay lang yan. Huwag kang mag-ano ganyan. Baka maiyak lang din ako. Okay? Huwag kang mag-share. But to be sensitive to people and to be in it, to be that understanding friend that you want to be. Listen all the time. Try to listen with an open ear and with an open heart to your friends. That's the only time that you become, sensitive, really sensitive to other people's feelings.
Mas mahaba yun. Kasi ako, ang pinagugo ako yun. Kasi hindi ako
That's about forming one's conscience. Okay? So we form our consciousness through our experiences, okay? But there is another important thing about, knowing the particular truth. Yeah, the truth itself, the real truth. Okay, about what we ought to do. Aside from forming our conscience, we are to inform our conscience as well. Okay? Through investigation, through study, okay? Through learning from our sources of moral wisdom. So we form and inform our conscience. Meaning we try to know what is the good through the sources of moral wisdom. What are our sources of moral wisdom? What are the things that tell us the right thing to do or the evil to be avoided? Number one, we have what we call the natural law. What is the natural law? There are laws, natural law. There are things in nature, there are things in the world, in the universe. Okay? You don't have to be religious, you don't have to have a religion to know this thing. Okay? That if you hit, for example, if you hit someone, okay, on the face, slap a person's face, what will happen to the person? Nakakagabay? Yung nakikot subukan natin.
Third
Well, no,
floor.
but it will
Ano yung choco-choco? Wala akong bowl.
okay? It will be painful if you slap him hard enough, for
Hindi
example.
ko yung choco.
It will be painful. It can even injure the person. Okay? Why? Bakit merong nature, natural law, because of the law of what? The law of gravity, force, diba? Physics, yung muscle strength, okay? Meron yan. Probably pag nasa buwan ka, inampas mo yung sasabi mo, baka hindi masakit. But we know that, okay? We know that. Na pag tumayo ka sa building na to, hindi ka lilipad. Okay? At hindi ka dahan-dahan bababa. Babagsak ka diretso. Oh, ano tayo 6th floor? O wala, dead ka, okay? Asa ka pa. Unless pumalong ka ng malayo at umabot ka sa swimming pool, sa diving pool nung may lalo-lalo, sa tapat, no? Boom, malayo ka tumalon. Okay? Merong mga bagay about natural law that tells us this is good, this is not good, this is hurtful, this is hurting, this can be hurt, this can hurt, okay? Or this can injure, this can destroy, this can kill, this can, what else? Diba? Alam natin yan. Even by just using our reason. Okay? It tells us, yes. Question. Nam? Oh, ano?
Ito Okay. Yung pangatagam yung ano kayo.
Ano? Oh, killer. Pinatake niya yung... Oh, tapos? Kanina, Charlo ba yun?
Kain lang. Ano yan?
Oo nga, oo.
Galing Bicol. Oo. Alam niya ni Kim.
Meron nga. Unfortunately, hindi nila alam na yung pala yung mali, hindi nila dapat ginawa. Okay? Hindi naman ibig sabihin niya sa inyo, hindi naman ibig sabihin na may konsyensya, ay gagawin na yung tama talaga. Kasi yung kulang yung kaalaman natin kung ano yung tama na dapat gawin at ano yung mali na hindi dapat gawin. Okay? Pero lahat ng tao may konsyensya. Lahat ng tao merong kaunti man lang, kahit kaunti man lang na I mean, even a little grasp of what is the truth. Okay, even if meron yan. Okay, di ba sabi nga nila, not even, yun nga magnanakaw, hindi ba? Kaya nga sila nagnanakaw. Kundi para din sa kabutihan, di ba? Para may mapakain sila sa anak nila. Okay? Hindi nga lang, mali. Mali nga lang yung pagtingin nila doon sa tama. Pero tama eh. Laging tama yung gagawin natin. Okay? Di ba sabi, even in the Gospels, ba? Even, what? What is yun? Hindi magbibigay ng ahas sa kanya. Is it in the Gospels? Yeah, I think, no? Even food. Okay? Even the criminal yata will not give a snake when his or her son asks for food, for example. Diba? Kahit yung pinakamasamang tao, baka kahit yung ginagawa nilang masama, kahit yung ginagawa nilang pagpatay, tingin kasi nila doon tama. Yun ang problema. Maling tama. Yung nakita nila. Because they, probably because they have not formed their consciousness. They did not try to learn from their experiences. To learn from sources of moral wisdom. Hindi mo lang nagtanong, tama ba itong gagawin ko? Naabuso ko. Merong injustice na ginawa sa akin. Okay? Minaliit ako, pinatay lahat ng kamag-anak ko. Anong dapat kong gawin? I feel I have to avenge the death of my loved ones. I have to take revenge. That's the truth that I know. If you do not listen to the sources of moral wisdom, then what happens is, yun na yung truth mo. Papatayin ko, ubusin ko rin lahi mo. Pinatay mo ako eh. Ubusin ko rin inubos mo lahi ko, ubusin ko rin yung lahi mo. Okay? But I hope, like for example, the governor of Maguindanao, no, si... No, si Mamudadago, di ba? I hope really and sincerely he is trying to break that cycle by not believing in the truth na they held on for so many years. Di ba? That an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Ubusan ng lahi. Okay? Sana nagbago na dahil nakinig siya dun sa totoong truth. Na hindi pagpatay din ang solusyon, ang tamang dapat gawin dyan. Marahil, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Mahirap sabihin dapat nagpapatawad. Pagka asawa mo, kapatid mo, at lahat ng supporters nyo, at lahat ng tumulong, nagsiguradong magbantay doon sa kaligtasan ng asawa at kapatid mo, ay pinatay na 58. All of them. Okay? Para lang saan? Sa eleksyon? Ha? Para lang doon? Para naman pag pinatay, hindi naman po tayo yung certificate of candidacy talaga. Okay? Para saan? You know? I'm not in the position to say, oh, patawarin nyo na lang. Kung umatin kayo, remember, umatin ba kayo nung yung si nanay, yung sa thread 2 natin,